Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn our daily routine. How is our daily routine and how we spend the whole day and how we introduce our day. So let's start the video. I wake up early in the morning at 6 o'clock. Then I go to bathroom to take a bath properly. Then after I have my breakfast and I eat breakfast, two boiled eggs, one bread with jam and half a cup of tea without sugar. Then I change my uniform for my office. Then I take my laptop back and my car key too. I start my car and my office is away from my home is in 20 minutes. I spend my whole day in my office. When I free from my office, then I come back home to take rest for a while. Then after the rest, I go to ground to play football in the dusk time. After finishing the game, I come back home to take a bath and change my football kit. Then I am ready for dinner. After the dinner, I study for 2 hours daily and then I sleep at night time at 10 o'clock. That was the daily routine that I explained step by step. Keep supporting me. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe. Must see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.